Part 1, 10 Useful English Idioms. 1. A bad apple. Hindi, Bura Vyakti, explanation. One person whose bad behavior spoils the group. Example, one bad apple in the class can disturb everyone. 2. A baker's dozen. Hindi, Tera ki ginti, explanation, 13 instead of 12. Example, the shopkeeper gave me a baker's dozen of cookies. 3. A big cheese. Hindi, Bada or Mahatmapurna Vyakti. Explanation, a very important or powerful person. Example, in that company, Rohan's uncle is a big cheese. 4. A bird's eye view. Hindi, Upri ya Vyapak Nedri, explanation, a quick look at something from above or in brief. Example, the teacher gave us a bird's eye view of the chapter. 5. A bit of a stretch. Hindi, Thoda bara charakar kehna. Explanation, something that is not fully true or seems exaggerated. Example, saying he can finish the project in 1 hour is a bit of a stretch. 6. A bitter pill to swallow. Hindi, Kadvi sachai jise manna mushkil ho. Explanation, something unpleasant but unavoidable. Example, failing the test was a bitter pill to swallow. 7. A blast from the past. Hindi, Bite sami ki yad. Explanation, something that reminds you of old days. Example, hearing my childhood song felt like a blast from the past. A blessing in disguise. Chupa hua faida, explanation, something that seems bad at first but later proves helpful. Example, missing the bus was a blessing in disguise. 9. A bolt from the blue. Hindi, achanak or bada jhatka. Explanation, a sudden and shocking event. Example, his resignation came like a bolt from the blue. 10. A bone of contention. Chegre ya behes ki waza. Explanation, a topic people keep arguing about. Example, money matters became a bone of contention in the family.